when it comes to replacing the hinge on an MK2 Toyota Yaris, there is a lot of screws to take off, a lot of body parts to be moved about, including the headlight, the bumper, window wipers, parts of the plastics, screws everywhere on the inside, the bottom, the outside. Yeah, this is just to do the hinge for the slack that's happened over the years. I'll show you some photos of how much stress this is. That there is the killer screw, where it is the last screw that you will find that's under the plastics. Stay tuned for more. All the fun now of these all going back. Plastics, the window wipers, the screw for the wing that goes in there, the headlight screws, the bumper rivets, and then finally the under plastic, the wing guard. I'm not sure the technical name, but yeah, all these things are going to go back, and let's hope that all the screws are used when I finally put it all back together. But all this for a hinge.